Financial markets around the world are reeling following President Donald Trump's latest and most severe volley of tariffs, and the U.S. stock market is taking the worst of it so far. The S&P 500 fell 4% Thursday, more than other major stock markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 1,412 points, and the Nasdaq Composite sank 5.1%. Little was spared as fear flared globally about the potentially toxic mix of higher inflation and weakening economic growth that tariffs can create. Everything from crude oil to big tech stocks to the value of the U.S. dollar against other currencies fell. Even gold pulled lower. Tariff hikes announced by U.S. President Trump have provoked dismay, threats of countermeasures, and calls for further negotiations to make trade rules fairer. The measured responses from key trading partners highlighted a lack of appetite for an outright trade war. Trump said the import taxes ranging from 10% to 49% would do to the U.S. trading partners what they have long done to the U.S. He maintains they will draw factories and jobs back to the United States, but many others say the tariffs would be harmful to vulnerable people and raise the risk of a recession. The Trump administration appears to be leaving no stone unturned with its sweeping tariffs around the globe, from rocky outcrops home to polar bears in the Arctic to tiny tropical islands to a former British penal colony. The U.S. president rattled markets, manufacturers, and more Wednesday. Here's a look at some of the target territories that have little to no production, exports, or role in the global economy. The leader of such a territory said its people were scratching our heads on why it was targeted.